Imagine a summer evening without the constant buzzing of mosquitoes. No more swatting away these pesky intruders or dealing with itchy bites. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's high time to turn that dream into reality. Today, discover 8 natural mosquito repellents you can easily create at home. First up is lemon eucalyptus oil. Combine 10 drops of this oil with 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Mix well and voila, you have a natural mosquito repellent ready to go. Next is lavender oil. This not only keeps mosquitoes at bay, but also leaves a soothing aroma. Combine 10 drops of lavender oil with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, you're ready to ward off those pesky bugs. Peppermint oil is another great choice. Blend 10 drops of this refreshing oil with 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. The aroma will repel mosquitoes and leave you feeling fresh. Tea tree oil is known for its antiseptic properties. Mix 10 drops of tea tree oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This concoction will not only repel mosquitoes, but also soothe any existing bites. Citronella candles are a classic mosquito repellent. Start by melting some soy wax. Add a few drops of citronella oil and pour into molds with wicks. Light them up and say goodbye to mosquitoes. Garlic spray might sound odd, but mosquitoes can't stand the smell. Crush some garlic, boil it in water, and strain the mixture into a spray bottle. It's as simple as that. Basil leaves are another natural mosquito repellent. Crush fresh basil leaves and rub them directly on your skin. The scent will keep mosquitoes away. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar. Dilute it with water in a spray bottle for a quick mosquito repellent fix. The power to enjoy mosquito-free evenings lies in your hands. Give these natural solutions a try and experience the difference. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful DIY tips. Until next time, stay bug-free.